Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer Preset for your headphones STEELSERIES Arctis Nova 3. You have to start by open STEELSERIES GG application, and then you need to go to the engine at the left side. Your headphones should be connected with your PC, and after that you will see them here and you need to click at your headphones. Right here we have presets, click at the selected one and you need to click at the custom. Now you can do something good for you, so let's say that's okay for me. You need to click save and now you use this custom preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!